This is Plush Toad 899 here, and today what I bought at Cracker Barrel is the Gemmy animated eyeball doorbell. Now this was made, I think this was made, there's another version that was made, and I'll add it to my liked playlist so you guys can see it. But yeah, so basically what it does is it opens this, when you press the button it opens his eye and it lights up. So I'm gonna do all the phrases with the flash on and then with the flash off.
Enter at your own risk.
Okay, I got the flash off.
Enter